Today's plan is pretty much to make sure that everything fits up right before we start to bondo. That way if we have to make any corrections with the fitment gaps, we can do it now before it's too late. So let's get started on that. Sounds like a rice machine right now, so I guess that's pretty cool. So this is how it should fit up, but this is how it's fitting up.
You're probably videotaping how your exhaust sounds. Yeah, freaking loser. Taking a shower and I got pissed. Alright, so the reason I'm having a hard time fitting this taillight in is because when I welded this rear firewall in, I welded this corner a little bit low because I was trying to get the most average fit up and I ended up welding a little bit low. So it's not going to be much to bring this taillight up. I just need to hammer around so that it sits flat with like the trunk lid and everything. What all of this fuss is gonna do, this commotion, is it's gonna make this light fit up nice like the other side.
Nice.
Both bumper sports are on, and now it's the test bit of the bumper. So for the first part, we fixed this gap right here. This trunk doesn't really line up. If you guys look right here, this gap is a lot bigger than this gap. So this trunk has been messed with, and we want to do holeless trunk. And I don't know if it's worth putting in the time of welding these holes, bondoing them, and making them all smooth with the trunk that's been messed with over here. So we're thinking we might go with a new trunk. But yeah, we want to go holeless so that we don't have to run a rear wing and just have that like wide stance. Speaking of wide stance, we're gonna go a lot wider in the rear. So I think I'm gonna get the same exact Consis, but in a 10.5. Right now I'm running a 9. I saw them in California at the Matsuri event, and the 10.5s look amazing, and I really want to run them. So I think when we do the fender work, we're gonna try to extend it by like an inch, so we can run the 10.5s in the rear and the 9s up front. But yeah, I'm super excited to see the car in one piece, and getting a lot closer to being finished. Before I go, I did release 3 new designs for stickers. If you guys want to get them, I will leave a link in the description. But yeah, these are the 3 designs. The one is the OG yellow, filmed by Skuraweekly. If you guys want to go a little bit more outrageous, I do have a Skuraweekly nostalgically pleasing banner, which looks like this on the Sylvia. And if you walk down here, this is the last one. I don't know how to describe it, but super pumped that it's in one piece. It looks freaking amazing, and I missed it, so a lot more to come. And yeah.